This is the diesel powered generator that I bought after Hurricane Irene. You see I got a kilowatt meter plugged into the 120 volt receptacle. This is the engine compartment, and to start it you have to place this idle control switch to run. It latches in. There's a wireless remote starter that will start it up. We'll do that in a minute. I'm gonna plug in my 1.5 horsepower pool pump to the kilowatt meter and see what it uses for power. Here is a parts list and diagram of the machine and some of the stuff that it came with. A couple of wrenches, a little wireless remote starter, 2 keys, 2 cord ends, a screwdriver. Then there's an owner's manual for the generator, and then an owner's manual for the motor. Exhaust pipe, little label, hot gets hot. Another label, diesel fuel only. A fuel indicator, it's full of diesel. There's a small filter inside the tank. A couple warning labels, how to start it. A United States EPA standard label. Behind this panel here is the air filter. It's got a breaker that protects the machine, a breaker and a fuse that protects the 220, a breaker that protects the GFCI, another breaker that protects the 30 amp twist lock. Power light just says the generator is up and running. Oil lamp says that the oil pressure is low. Voltmeter, a selector switch that selects between 220 or 120. DC output, it's a 10 amp fuse. It's good for 8.3 amps. Down here is my pool pump. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 1.5 horsepower. It says a SF of 115 volts, 15 amps. I have it plugged into a heavy-duty extension cord. After the machine starts and runs, it comes up to speed. We'll flip through some screens on the kilowatt, and I'm going to stand over here so you can watch the exhaust when it starts. I'm going to press the lightning bolt button that's going to start it, and here it goes. Alright, let's try that again. Here it goes.